I realized I was wrong, and it is quite we can go by a simpler way and understand so many things because this
Close your eyes and tell us the answer, sir, without seeing. Please close your eyes, start.
uh, hypervisor is the software, and software is having two types of hypervisor, type 1 and type 2. In
Okay.
type 1, there is a type 1 having VM, virtual machine, and type 2 having um, Microsoft hypervisor, Microsoft virtual box.
Perfect. Superb. 100% on dot. Give sir a big round of applause. Yes, sir. What clarity you got now? How easy it was to memorize like this?
Sir, before this, uh, from the day one, I was
Yeah.
thinking it is not possible to memorize or to retain uh, such a technical, hardcore technical language or the concept in a such a way. But now, in this 1 month, I realized I was wrong, and it is quite we can go by a simpler way and understand so many things because this our technology having like at the sea having so many concepts, but to understand so
Superb.
many concepts and to retain it, it's quite simple if I'll work on it.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Superb, sir. Now, Rupesh, sir, one more question to you because many of my people who come to my webinars, they ask one thing, sir, is this applicable to computer science subject? I say, tell me what on this planet Earth you want to memorize. I'll make you memorize. Now, sir, computer science subject, you should throw more light on it, clarity on this. For your computer science or your artificial intelligence, whatever professional exam you want to crack, are these techniques applicable to them also? Is it easy to memorize
Yes,
by using these
it is.
memory techniques?
Yes, perfect.
Perfect, perfect.
It's
Thank you very much, sir. So, what clarity you got now? How many more concepts like this you will memorize? How easy are you feeling? How lighter you are feeling today?
sir, I cannot express in words.
Fantastic, superb, superb. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.